What is up? Welcome to Market Psychology 101. In today's video, we are taking a look at Optimism, OP, the number 80 overall crypto with a current market cap at 861 million and a current price of around 46 cents. So when I take a look at OP Optimism and I think back to some cryptos from the 2017 or even 2021 days, I do want to caution you all because there are cryptos out there, and if you believe alt season hasn't happened yet, does not mean every alt has to run. Now, ever since this one was listed on Robinhood, it has not been good. And obviously, you see that giant scam wick, especially if you pull up the Binance chart here. So if you do like Optimism and it is one of the chosen altcoins that we could potentially see run during an alt season, then of course you're buying at the most massive discount you can. But I think it's also important to take a look at other indicators. First of all, we are very detached from our moving averages, and underneath all the important areas of our chart, you can see the 50-week moving average is there at the 0.5 at 95 cents. But being under the 382 means we can always technically still go lower. So as long as we're under 77 cents, that is not a good thing for Optimism. Now, do we have anything to be optimistic about? And you see what I did there? Let's take a look at our RSI as well as our MACD. And something you notice here is the MACD. I do not love seeing it go dark red. As long as this thing continues to go darker red, we could see it break down further. Now, again, I'm looking at this line as support because this is where the original bottom was for Optimism. So if it breaks under here and we see candle bodies getting under this area of, let me try to get it close, let's just say 40 cents, that's going to be very bad. Now, one bullish thing I could tell you is that, at least for the RSI, we are seeing these ascending bottoms. So maybe we're starting to see shades of a bullish divergence. But again, bullish divergence does not mean it has to pump up further, or at least to new highs. It might just have a little bit of a minor pump. But if we see it getting rejected once again off that 382, or if not lower at the 236, I'd be worried about this altcoin being done, at least for the cycle. So if you believe in it, you've done your research, then hey, you're picking it up at a premium discount. However, you do run the risk of this thing just dying further. You see where that wick goes. And if that bottom got taken out at around 40 cents, then this thing can just keep falling. So maybe worth an educated gamble if you like your research, but I would be a little bit pessimistic about Optimism at this point.